Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost FPS in Forza Horizon 5, how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing, and the best part of it, you don't need to download any of the FPS packs. I will show you everything in your settings, what you need to change in order to get best results. So first of all, I will show you in Windows settings, and then we'll go in game and I will show you what you need to do here next. So stay with me. First of all, what you need to do here is to go to settings, on search, and then look for a Windows update and always update your operating system, right? Then go to your GPU drivers. For me, I have NVIDIA, so I got an NVIDIA app. I just need to go to drivers and update my GPU drivers to the latest ones because it's super important for your game performance. And after that, just restart your computer. Next thing what you need to do here before you play the game, always go to on task manager and end all the tasks that is CPU and GPU heavy, right? So if, for example, I don't need the app while I play the game, so I just end task and then end all the tasks that I know that do not break my computer. Next thing what you need to do here is to go to startup apps and make sure to disable all the startup apps that you don't use or you rarely use. I leave only Discord and few Microsoft apps, but basically everything I disable it because simply when computer boots up, all the apps boots up as well, and you basically using a lot of your computer resources, and sometimes you forget to disable it, and it can also decrease your game performance. So always disable them all. And another thing, if you play with your friends and you use Discord, always go on Discord, go to gear icon here, then go to advanced and disable hardware acceleration. It also will help with the game. And if you use overlays on Discord, NVIDIA app, Steam, also try to disable them all. It also can help with performance, right? And another thing that you need to do here is to right click on it on desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. If you have, of course, NVIDIA, then you need to go to change resolution, make sure highest refresh rate is selected and your native resolution. Then go to configure surround and 5x. Processor should be your GPU. Then go to manage 3D settings. And then on manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit until you see monitor technology should be G-Sync compatible or fixed refresh. Then power management mode, make sure it's prefer maximum performance. Preferred refresh rate, make sure it's highest available. Shader cache size, make sure it's 100 gigabytes and not unlimited. Then texture filtering and the subtraffic sample options is on. Texture filtering quality and make sure it's high performance, super important here. Here should be high performance. Texture filtering, trilinear optimization on with threaded optimization as well. And then VSync should be off, and then virtual reality pre-rendered frames is 2. And then apply the changes and you can close this window here. Next thing that you need to do here is to go to settings, then go to gaming, game bar, and disable game bar. Again, press on gaming, game mode, and enable game mode, right? Then the next step what you need to do here, it depends where you got the game. If you got the game on Steam, you need to go on, basically you need to go on your client. I'm using Xbox app, so for me it is Xbox app. So just go to your library, then find the game, click on it, press on the 3 dots, manage, and then select a files and then browse. On Steam should be something similar. And then you just need to go to Forza Horizon content, and then on search, just write .exe, and .exe file should appear, Forza Horizon.exe. On Steam should be more convenient, and then you just need to right click on it, and then go to show more options, and then go to properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, then press change high DPI scaling, override high DPI scaling, application, okay. Right? And if you are on Steam, then what you need to do here, you need to just copy the path of exe file, and then you need to go to graphic settings, and then you need to, if you're on Steam or other platform, not on Xbox, add the desktop app, paste the path and add exe file. If you on Microsoft Store, you just need to select add Microsoft Store, and then Forza will be here, and then here should appear that particular exe file. So we just need to look for it, and as you can see here, it appeared. And then you on GPU preference, make sure it's high performance is selected, and optimizations for windowed games is selected as well. And then once you select these two options, go back on the top, go to advanced graphics settings, and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on, and try the game and look if you're getting better results. If not, if results basically not that good, change it to just disable this option. I'm using better GPU than my CPU, so for me this option is logical, but for you it may be different. And after that, you just need to close this window here, then press on search, just write edit power plan, and on edit power plan, go to power options, and then select ultimate performance. If you don't have ultimate performance, select high performance, and then you can close this window. Then look for view advanced system settings on search, and then here should be advanced settings, and then select custom and just leave with these three options: save taskbar, show thumbnails, and smooth edges. Then go to advanced, then select a virtual memory, and then select the disk where your game is located. Deselect automatically manage paging file size, select custom size, and then you need to calculate a few things, but don't worry, super fast and easy. So first of all, go to system information. If you don't know how much RAM do you have, as you can see here, install physical memory. My computer has 16 gigabytes of RAM. So we need to know this number, and then we just need to open up calculator, and then you need to put your RAM value that is on your computer. In my case, is 16 gigabytes, so 16 times 1024. This number is default. Then times 1.5, same as this. Only your RAM value is changing, right? So keep in mind that. Then on initial size, you need to write this number. In my case, 24,576. And then delete this. Then again, put your RAM value times 1024 times 3, right? And the number that you get here, you need to put the maximum size. So in my case, 49,152. And after that, apply the changes, and you can close this window here. Next thing what you need to do here on search, you just need to write system configuration. And on system configuration, you need to go to services and end all the tasks that you don't need. Of course, hide all Microsoft services here, right? And then the next step, what you need to do here is to write run on search, or just write Windows Anaki, and then write %10%, press OK, and delete all the temporary files here. So select all and delete it. If some files cannot be deleted, don't worry about that, just leave it there. And as you can see here, I have few files here, so just press cancel button, and as you can see here, there is few files. Next thing what you need to do here is to go to storage settings, and then also delete temporary files from here. Temporary files, just leave unselected downloads, recycle bin, and all the stuff here should be gone. Don't worry, it won't affect your files. If you're low on storage, your game can also your game performance can also be bad, so make sure to delete all the cache files to increase your storage. And then after that, you just need to run the game, open up Task Manager. Now I will not run the game because it's more convenient for me to record. I will show you with a different app, but the process will be same. So just on search, look for Forza Horizon. In my case, I will look for a random app. Then after you find Forza Horizon, right click on it, then go to as you can see here, should be a open file location, and go to details. Xbox do not have this, so let's go with the Steam. Probably Steam will have this. Yeah, go to details. Then you should see the Horizon exe file. Right click on it, set priority, and then set to high, right? And this section will be for the lag, high ping, and everything related to your network. So the first thing, if you're experiencing lag, packet loss, high latency, always open up your browser and go to fast.com and test internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, and always use a Ethernet cable if there is a possibility for better connection. And next thing what you need to do here, you need to go and search. You just need to write command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and here you need to put few commands. So the first command is IP config space /flush DNS. Another command is niche winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer and look if you have if you don't have packet burst, packet loss, or high ping. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, then network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And then press on network and internet again. And then go to advanced network settings, and then select your internet connection here, expand option, then select more net adapter options, press edit, and then double click on internet protocol version 4, and then on select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server write 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Don't worry about it, it's just Google's DNS server address. It won't affect your game, your computer in any shape or form. Just it can help to increase your performance and your latency issues. Now we can go into game. Right guys, so we are in game, and if we go on video tab here, here I will show you what you need to change. So first of all, make sure resolution is your native one. Frame rate is unlocked. If you cannot change frame rate, turn off VSync, and then frame rate should be changeable. Then full screen is always on. Then show FPS, it's preferable. If you want to look how much FPS you're getting, you can enable this counter. Then motion blur off, user interface scale 100, TAA off, NVIDIA DLAA off, FXA and MSAA off. Then NVIDIA DLS AI super resolution balanced, or more in the quality space here. If using EMD, same thing with EMD, look for quality, and then Intel also quality as well. And then next, there is a only cams FOV, so it's just personal preference. Then if we go on graphics here, you can benchmark, but just drive around and look what is best for you. Then here on preset, I like to set to high, and then anisotropic filtering is high. It won't affect your performance. Shadow quality is low. Night shadows is off. Motion blur is off. Environmental texture quality is high. If you have a better FPS, better GPU, and medium if you have GPU on lower end. Environment geometry quality is lesser than texture quality. SSAO quality is off. Reflection and world car level of detail is low. Deformable terrain quality is medium. SSR quality low. Lens effects medium. Shader quality, particle effects quality is low, and ray tracing quality is off. Apply these changes, and yeah, that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.